So what's up guys, as Microsoft has released Windows 11 22H2 version for all the Windows 11 users, but most users are unable to install the update due to the failed error, so that you will be able to install Windows 11 22H2 in your Windows PC. So let's go ahead and proceed. Simultaneously press Windows and R key. This will open run command to you, and in run command type a path which I will share you in the description of this video. Once pasted, hit the enter key. Here whatever data is present in this folder, you need to select all the data, right click and choose the option delete. Now go ahead and try to update your PC again. Now if it is still giving you the error, head over to this PC, C drive, open Windows folder, and in Windows folder you need to find a folder with the name Software Distribution. Double click to open it, and here you will find a folder of download. Open it, and whatever files are present over here also, select all of them, right click and delete the files. Now if both method fails up, let's proceed with the advanced troubleshooting steps. Open up your web browser, and here in address bar you need to paste a link which I will share you in the description of this video. Once pasted, hit the enter key. This is the official Microsoft tool that helps to resolve the Windows 11 failed error. Once it is downloaded, go ahead and run the tool. You need to click on the option Windows Update and hit the next button to continue. It will start to detect any kind of issue with your Windows update, and after some time it will provide you a complete fix. For example, right now it is saying that issue might arise because of the administrative privilege. Now click on the try troubleshooting as an administrator so that you provide admin rights. Now it has opened as an admin, and again it will start to diagnose your issue with Windows update and fix out the error automatically, so that you will be able to install Windows 11 22H2 updates. As you can see, it has detected the issue and fixed it by itself, as it is saying that it has made changes and attempting to fix the issue. Once it is done, go ahead and try to install or update your Windows 11 again. Now if this method also fails, the last and final method which I will share you is a file with the name Windows 11 update fix. I will provide all the data present over here in the description of this video. Simply copy and paste all the data like I have pasted in a notepad file. Then click on the file option and choose the option save as. Save it into your desktop and give it a name winupdatefix.bat. Make sure you write the name as it is, winupdatefix.bat, and in save as type choose all files and hit the save button. Here is the file that we have just created. You need to right click on this file and choose the option run as administrator. This file is a set of processes that will take up to 30 minutes to fix out the issue. So make sure you wait for this file to complete the troubleshooting steps for Windows 11 update error. Once this process is completed, this file will close automatically. After that, don't forget to restart your PC. Once restarted, you will be able to update Windows 11 22H2. And lastly is, if there is no hope, you need to open official Microsoft website, scroll down and click on the Windows 11 ISO image and choose the option download. Choose the language and hit the confirm button. Click on the 64-bit download to download it into your system. I have already downloaded this file. Here it is. Simply run the downloaded file, and here you will get the option of setup. Just run setup file and proceed with the on-screen instructions to directly update to Windows 11 22H2 without any kind of error. If this video works out for you, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel.